Hi, in this video, we will show you how to record your iPhone screen on your Mac computer. To record your iPhone screen on your Mac, we need three things. One, we need an iPhone, then we need a Mac PC or laptop, and finally, we need a lightning cable. So first, connect your phone with the lightning cable to your iMac or notebook, and then open QuickTime. To open QuickTime, hold Command key and spacebar all together, and you can type QuickTime and you will find QuickTime over there. Just double click on QuickTime to open the QuickTime, and once you open with QuickTime you will find this type of window. Just press the cancel button because we don't want to open any file or we don't want to play anything. Okay, so just cancel it, and then the QuickTime window will be on top of the thing: QuickTime, file, edit, and so on. So to record the screen, click on the file, and then this type of drop down menu will be appeared, and there will be three options at the beginning: new movie recording, new audio recording, new screen recording. So to record the iPhone screen on your Mac, we must have to choose this option, otherwise it will not work. So just click new movie recording, and then it will open this type of window, and there will be on circle, white circle, and inside red dot, and there is a small arrow. So what we have to do first, we have to click on this arrow first. So once you click the arrow first, then it will pop up this option like FaceTime or your phone or something like that. So basically this is the list of the devices which are capable to record. FaceTime means this is by default your computer, I mean iMac or MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, the FaceTime HD camera, it will start recording from there. But our target is to record our phone screen. So we must have to choose our phone. So every phone there is a name. Okay, for my phone name is me. Okay, for your case your phone name should be something else, so choose that option. So I'm going to choose this option, and then it will switch to that option. Now you, if you again click the drop down, you will see that you miss iPhone is selected, but it is nothing is coming because if nothing is coming, don't panic, because the reason your phone is in like screensaver mode, that's why. So what you have to do, just power on your phone, I mean click the uh, main menu button or home button, and then just click there, and it will open this thing like this way. And now your phone is completely visible in your Mac. So what we have to do, we need to record something. To record something, we have to come this panel again, and from here, now instead of this drop down, we have to choose this circle. Okay, so we have to click here to start recording. So I'm going to click here, and it will start recording, and you will see the time here. Now if I do anything, it will record everything. See, I'm just scrolling or going some pages of this thing, or even I can, suppose I want to open tips, I just clicked on tips and it is showing all the tips. Okay, so in this way you can record, and once you finish recording, then again we have to come this. So just click here to stop the recording. So I'm going to click here to stop the recording, and it will stop the recording. Now you can and save this thing. It will not save this file on your computer. So to save, what we have to do, file, and then we can click on save, and it will save, and it will ask you what type of name you want to do, keep the file name. So I'm typing the name like fast recording, fast, and I'm giving the location, I'm putting the location in desktop to save, and I have to click save button. Now it is saved. Once it is saved, then you can close, or you can also quite QuickTime pillar. Now, so this is our saved recording file. Now we want to see whether it is really recorded or not. So to see, just double click on top it, and it will start playing, and it will come like this, and there is a play button here. So if we click on play button, then it will start playing the whole recording thing. So what I did some scrolling or something. We went on page to another, and then I opened tips. Everything is recorded. See, it is recorded, it is playing everything, and finally it will click the tips. Okay, so that's all. Actually, basically the whole recording is done. In this way you can easily record your iPhone screen on a Mac computer, and hopefully by watching this video you are really able to do that. If you face any difficulties or any problem, just put in the comment section, and if you like this video, don't forget to share this with your friend. And also, if you like, you can also subscribe to our channel for many more videos. Thank you for watching.